Chapter 14 Plant Life. Let's dive in. Warm up. Ranveer is in the garden today to tend plants. Draw the things which will help him to dig out unwanted grass, water plants and loosen soil. Plants are all around us. We see different kinds of trees and plants every day. Trees. Plants that are big and strong are called trees. They have thick woody stems called trunks. Herbs. A very small plant are called herbs. They have a soft green stem. Shrubs. Short and bushy plants are called shrubs. They have thin woody stems. They are hard. Some examples are a jasmine plant, a rose bush. Off the hook, did you know plants can also breathe like us? Collect your favorite flowers and leaves. Press and dry them between the pages of a book. After 3 days, take them out. Make a card for your teacher using the dry flowers and leaves. Give it to him or her on Teacher's Day. Climbers. There are some plants that have weak stems. These plants need support to climb. Such plants are called climbers. Some examples are pea, money plant, bean, grapevine. Off the hook, creepers are also plants with weak stem. They cannot climb on a support because they have a heavy fruits. They creep along the ground. Water plants. Plants that grow in water are called water plants. Parts of a plant. A plant has many parts: roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Seeds are found inside the fruit. Most plants grow from seeds. A seed is sown into the soil. Let us see how a seed grows into a plant. This is a seed. A little seed has 3 good friends. These friends are the sun, rain and the air. The sun keeps it warm. The rain brings it water. The air helps it to breathe. These 3 friends help the seed to grow into a baby plant. After some time, this baby plant grows into a big plant. Activity fish. Take some gram seeds, soak them in water for 4 hours. Place them on wet cotton at some distance from each other. Keep them near the window. Water them regularly. What do you observe? Let's reel in. Summing up. Types of plant: trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, water plants. Parts of a plant: bud, leaf, fruit, flower, branch, stem, roots. Friends of a plant: sun, rain, air. Exercises. Tick the correct option. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Short, bushy plants are called shrubs. Very small plants are called herbs. Plants with weak stem are called climbers. Plants that grow in water are called as water plants. Write the names of all the parts of the plant. You can write it here: bud, stem, leaf, flower, roots, fruit, branches. You can answer the following question. What are trees? What is a trunk? Give an example of a herb. Name a vegetable which grows on a climber. What is a seed found in a plant? Where is a seed found in a plant? Name the 3 friends of a plant. Then comes wise fish. Look carefully at the pictures given. It tells us about how plants help us in many ways. Plants gives us many useful things. Discuss in the class. Think tank. Ranveer wants to gift his teacher a bouquet of flowers. Sangeeta says it would be better to gift her a potted plant. Do you agree? If so, why? This completes the chapter.